Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone or on your iPad, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to follow my steps. So first of all, you have to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, as you can see, I have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if you are not connected with Wi-Fi, then guys you need to connect it first. And guys, if you are using mobile data, you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone. And guys, the second step is you need to scroll it below, click on screen time, and guys, click on content and privacy restrictions. Click on allowed apps, and guys, you need to make sure that Safari is turned on. So guys, if off, you need to make it on, and guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, you need to click on general. After this you need to scroll it below. So guys, maybe there is a network problem. So guys, simply you need to reset your network settings from here, as you can see. And guys, after this you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys, simply you have to click on language and region. Click on region, and guys, select your region according to your country. And after doing this you need to go back, click on date and time. Make sure that date and time is set on automatically. And guys, at last you need to click on software update, and guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem after doing all the tricks, then guys, you have to open your settings again, click on your Apple ID name, and guys, after this you need to sign out your Apple ID. And guys, after 5 to 10 minutes you need to sign in again. And guys, after this simply you have to turn off your mobile and turn on again. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.